What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with BitcoinLindsay.com. And in this episode of Bitcoin News, I want to share with you all how Bitcoin has surged yet again, came back down, but then went back up again. Also, your two new Bitcoin billionaires. Also, how you can feed your late night munchies with Bitcoin coming soon. And then also, the feds are coming, guys, right? The feds are finally coming. So, stay tuned and let me share with you all the details. So, right now, we're looking at CoinMarketCap. And last week when I did a Bitcoin update, I was letting you guys know that Bitcoin has surpassed the $9,000 mark. Now, not even 24 hours later, it surpassed the $10,000 mark and the $11,000 mark. Now, it did go back down to like the 9,000s, but as we can see right here on December 4th, that it has gone past the $11,000 mark yet again. Right now, we're looking at the first Bitcoin billionaire. So, some of you guys may know these guys. These are the Winklevoss twins. Now, they are famously known for suing Mark Z for claiming that he stole their idea of Facebook. Now, as part of that settlement, they were awarded $65 million. And out of that $65 million, they took $11 million and they invested into Bitcoin back in 2013. Now, since Bitcoin has surpassed the price of $11,000 per coin, it has now made the Winklevoss twins Bitcoin billionaires. Also, by 2019, and some have said even by the end of 2018, McDonald's will be accepting Bitcoin. So for your Big Macs and your large fries or whatever the case may be, you can now purchase all of those things with Bitcoin. Now, for me personally, that's not how I would choose to spend my Bitcoin. But I guess if push came to shove, you can buy your fries and your Big Mac just in case you got really hungry that day. Okay. Bitcoin futures trading will start even sooner. So CBOE Global Markets said that it will actually start trading Bitcoin this coming weekend. Now, Bitcoin futures will be under the ticker XBT starting on December 10th. Also, TD Ameritrade and Ally Financial both plan to make Bitcoin futures contracts available to its customers. No plans have ever been stated from Fidelity and other major firms. The NASDAQ, like last week, has said they're going to put forth intention in order to bring Bitcoin futures to the NASDAQ by mid-2018. Now, right on the heels of that, as you guys can see right here, Moscow Stock Exchange is planning on introducing Bitcoin futures as well. Now, in August, the Moscow Stock Exchange said that they will be building a platform that will support cryptocurrency trading. And this came even after reports that Russian government announced that they will be banning access to cryptocurrency exchanges. Big Bang Theory's episode, The Bitcoin Entanglement, also aired this past week. Now, it focused on the Bitcoins that the group had mined back in 2011. Now, the episode had also gained an estimated 12.6 million viewers that night. Now, they made continuous references that the Bitcoin price was about $5,000, but I'm pretty sure that mouths dropped when those viewers actually took the time to go to Google and actually see what the current price of Bitcoin is. Coinbase has also been ordered to hand over data for more than 14,000 of its customers suspected of evading taxes. Now, it's believed that these customers have had over $20,000 in their accounts between the years of 2013 and 2015, and they have not been reporting it to the IRS. Now, this number will only affect its highest transacting clients. Now, this isn't the first time that the IRS has come after Coinbase. At that particular time, they were asking for a larger scope of data information, but have now since gone back to the table, came back with a lower number, and now Coinbase has now had to offer this information to the IRS. The U.S. Senate has now made moves to make changes to a bill that aims to criminalize the intentional concealment of ownership or control of a financial account, to include the terms digital currencies and digital exchanges. Now, this bill is for combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and counterfeiting. Now, there has also been reports that the White House has been actively monitoring cryptocurrencies as well. Now, some do believe that all of this will actually become very confrontational at the end between people who are users of Bitcoin, who actually hold Bitcoin, and between the U.S. government. So let me know what you guys think below. As we have been seeing throughout this year, and I'm pretty sure this will not be the last of it, we're starting to see more and more of the U.S. government trying to regulate cryptocurrencies as much as possible. So let me know what you think below. Do you think at some point this can become very confrontational between people who actually hold Bitcoin and the U.S. government? Let me know what you think below, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.